Standard 6th, Subject Social Science, Chapter number 2, Journey from Primitive Man to Settled Life, Part 2. In Part 1, we have learned about the primitive man and their nomadic life, how they use stone as their weapon, and at which type of places they used to live, what they used to eat to sustain their life. In Part 2, we are going to learn about fire and will, and about how they started living a settled life. Ruins of ashes were found in Kurnool in South India, which indicates that the primitive men were very familiar with fire. As per historians, approximately 11,000 years ago, humans started using fire to keep themselves protected from the wild animals and to cook their meat and eat. And they also use this fire as a to get the light. Thus, fire was a revolutionized act done by them with the help of cooking the meat and to get the light and protect themselves from wild animals. Other than this, the revolutionized discovery was wheel. They learned to make wheel from tree trunk and thick woods. As they were hunting animals, it was hard for them to carry out or to load the animal. So they discover a wheel and started using it for their life. Other than this, the second important point is changing environment. Around 12,000 years ago, changes takes place in the atmosphere of the earth. This change increased the temperature on the earth, which increased the vegetation and grass fields in India. We all know that temperature is very important for vegetations and grass. And according to change in atmosphere and increase in temperature, the vegetations also started growing rapidly. As a result, number of grass-eating animals, that means herbivorous animals, increased, which gives benefit to primitive men. They started studying the animals' behavior and their mental development started. Learning from the behavior of animal, primitive men started living a normal life at one place. They stopped nomadic life and live at a place. They came in the contact with grass, trees, vegetations, wheat, barley, and other grains. They use stone to collect grains from the crops. Because of this, they started agriculture in India. They started growing grains near the bank of rivers and constructed their house made up of mud, thatch, means the grass roof, and other materials. As I told you in the previous part, that primitive men used to live near the bank of river and pond so that they can get animals and water to drink and sustain their life. They also started agriculture near the bank of river so that they can get water for agriculture. Their first companion was a dog. Besides this, he was familiar with sheep, goat, cow, buffalo, pig, etc., and started their life with them. These animals protect them from wild animals. Thus, animal husbandry also started with farming. However, research is being carried out to find out how long he had been using animals to get milk. So, from this changing environment, a huge change has taken place in the life of primitive man, and they started living at one place, stopping the nomadic life, and started using agriculture and eat grains, and stop or lessen the hunting and gathering of animals. Besides this, they also started uh, animal husbandry and protect animals from the wild animal and that animals protected them from wild animals. Certainly, they started milking them and using farming to sustain their life near the bank of river. Thank you.